Today we're going to read a story about 3 Australian beetles named for legendary bird Pokemon. This is the Bimburium arsunio, Bimburium moltres, and the Bimburium zapdos. As you can see, they're all about the same size and they have these wonderful colors. They may not have the elemental powers like their fictional namesakes, but these rare beetles are just as elusive. Scientists found 3 new beetles in Australia, and if you like the Japanese game Pokemon, you might be excited about their names. They're named for the fictional creatures Arcuno, Moltres, and Zapdos. Darren Pollock and Yoon Haseo found the beetles. They are scientists who study insects. Pollock is a professor at the Eastern New Mexico University. Haseo is one of his graduate students. They reported their work in April 2021. The new beetle species characteristics. The scientific names for the new bugs are Bimburium arcuno, Bimburium moltres, and Bimburium zapdos. Scientific names are how scientists organize living things into groups. The first word, Bimburium, is the genus the insects are in. A genus is a group of closely related animals, but the beetles are different. That makes them different species. The second word is the species name. Often living things within species can have offspring. Animals that belong to a different genus usually cannot. These beetles do not look much like Pokemon. However, they all have wings like their cartoon match. The beetle named Zapdos shares its coloring. The beetles and the Pokemon do share one thing. They are all very rare. In the game, the 3 Pokemon are hard to find. They are also hard to catch. Pollock and Haseo found very few of each beetle. The beetles could be quite rare in the wild. Haseo wanted to be a Pokemon trainer when he was young. It was his idea to use the bird Pokemon names. Other insects named after Pokemon. These aren't the first bugs with Pokemon names. There's a wasp called Centaurops Weedley. It's named after the Pokemon Weedle. Both the real bug and the Weedle have pointy spines on their heads. There is a bee called Chicola Charizard for the Charizard Pokemon. Pokemon names also have gone to animals no longer around. Aerodactylus soleopasses was a Petriosaur, a flying dinosaur. Its name came from the Pokemon Aerodactyl. The ancient animal Dianoct has the scientific name Bulbosaurus polyoxeron. It shares a round nose with the Pokemon Bulbasaur. Part of that name, polyoxeron, means razor leaf. Razor leaf is a Bulbasaur attack. All of this isn't very surprising. Pokemon games are kind of like science games. They copy the kind of science done by people who found these animals. Now, let's go on to our Google form and answer the questions. Thank you.